Suzuki Japan officially celebrates a quarter-century of Hamamatsu Japan's flagship hyperbike with the presence of the Suzuki Hayabusa 25th Anniversary Edition, based on the third iteration generation with a special livery. The special paint for the Suzuki Hayabusa 25-year Anniversary Edition is Glass Blaze Orange/Glass Sparkle Black, which contrasts with gold anodized on various components, such as the inner disc brakes. Oh yes, the Suzuki Hayabusa 25-year Anniversary Edition comes directly from the factory with a single-seater cover. Suzuki Hayabusa 25 years Anniversary Edition with anniversary emblem placed on exhaust and tank. Suzuki Japan did not mention whether the Hayabusa 25th Anniversary Edition will be produced in limited quantities or vice versa. There is no change in the technical specifications for the Suzuki Hayabusa 25th Anniversary Edition, with a 1340cc inline 4-cylinder DOHT 16-valve liquid-cooled engine with a claimed peak power of up to 187,401 HP at 9,700 RPM and 150 N of torque at 7,000 RPM. The Suzuki Hayabusa 25-year Anniversary Edition carries a gas tank with a capacity of 20 liters with a wet weight of only 264 kilograms, balanced front and rear weight distribution of 50-50% with a seat height of 800 millimeters. Dual Brembo Stylema calipers at the front with inverted telescopic fork front suspension, and a semi-electronic swing arm monoshock rear suspension with Suzuki Intelligent Ride Systems. The Suzuki Hayabusa 25-year Anniversary Edition also carries an up-down quickshifter mounted to a 6-speed gearbox with a final chain drive. Regarding electronic assist technology, the Suzuki Hayabusa V3 carries a complete range of driving aids, including ride-by-wire throttle, traction control, wheel lift control, engine braking, launch control, and driving modes. So that's all our brief review today.